everyone, I'm Kate and I'm here to teach you how to create an account on Jiji and sell on it. First, you have to visit Jiji.ngfast and then you click, when you visit, if you're going on a website, you visit Jiji.ng, but I use downloaded the app. So I've downloaded the app, as you can see. And the next thing I'm going to go on profile. Now I'm going to log in. You can either log in with your email, your phone number, your Facebook, or your Google account. And that's it. Now with my Google account, most of the time, you actually have to have registered. Now, I have registered previously. Otherwise, you would have had to enter your email, click in register. You would have had to check your email for a letter from Jiji. And then there is a letter from Jiji. You have to click spam. When you check spam, you see the letter, you open the letter, you click on the link in the letter, and then to bring you here. And that's how you're fully registered. Now, how do you sell? Simple. You can do two ways. Either you watch the advert up here, which is how to sell, or you do it yourself. Down here, you have the sell button. You click on the sell button, and then fill in all the categories, follow the prompt, and once you're through, you post your ad.